Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So we'll continue with the chapter now regarding the marginal cost. The topic is about marginal cost and its relation with other types of cost. I told you for the first unit of output, I told that SMC and AVC will be same. So both of them will start from the same point. As output increases, what will happen? SMC falls or short run marginal cost will fall. AVC, it falls, but its fall is less than SMC. SMC will fall in a greater manner than AVC. But after a point, you can see that SMC starts rising. There also, that situation also, AVC will be falling. It will fall till the point where SMC and AVC are same. Okay, it will be same. After that, you can see slowly AVC starts rising. So the third one, SMC started rising, or it starts rising sufficiently. You can see in the previous one, till here it is rising only. But after this point, you can see it starts rising more than AVC. So what will happen? AVC starts rising. Till this point, I told that AVC is falling. When AVC and SMC is meeting, after that MC's increase will be more than AVC. From that point onwards, AVC starts rising. Okay. So that is the another point related to it. SMC, it was rising before also. During that time also, AVC was falling. When it meets, after that, you can see SMC will increase more than the value of AVC. That time, that situation, you can see AVC starts rising. Till that point, AVC was falling. So AVC is also a U-shaped curve. So as long as this AVC is falling, AVC is reducing, you know that SMC is below AVC. So SMC will be less than AVC. As AVC rises, SMC will be greater than AVC. So SMC curve cuts the AVC curve from below at the minimum point. Then it starts rising. And AVC, you can see below MC, that also it is rising. AVC also, that situation, it is going on increasing. So these are the important points related to SMC and AVC. SMC means marginal cost. AVC means average variable cost. In this, the relation it is given. What is the relation of SMC and AVC? Pranav, can you just tell what is the first similarity you can see, or what is the relation you can see in between SMC and AVC?
SMC and AVC are the same.
Same.
They
So,
start from the same point.
same point. Then what happens?
When output increases, SMC decreases.
Falls. SMC starts falling than AVC. Okay. Anish, can you tell the second one? Anish. The relationship between SMC and AVC. Yes.
AFC being the average of marginal cost also.
AVC, okay? AVC.
AVC being the average of marginal cost also falls, but falls less than the SMC.
So it falls less than SMC. So SMC is falling more. That is why it is going down or below AVC.
Then after a point, SMC starts rising.
So what happens to AVC that time? It continues to
fall.
Then?
SMC remains less than the prevailing value of AV.
AVC. Okay. Next point related to Sanam. Can you tell that?
Third point.
Hmm.
Once the SMC has risen sufficiently, its value becomes greater than the value of AVC.
Yeah. So
AVC
there is
then
a
starts
stage.
rising.
Yeah, there is a stage. SMC will be very high than the value of AVC. So what happens to AVC? That time what happens to AVC? Yes, AVC then? Sanam,
Yes, ma'am.
what happens to AVC then?
The AVC then starts rising.
Starts rising. Okay. Now next point. Akshay, what is that?
AVC curve is U-shaped.
Hmm.
As long as AVC is falling,
Hmm.
SMC must be less than AVC.
Okay, so as long as AVC is falling, you can see SMC will be, as SMC must be less than AVC. Then,
As AVC rises,
This is-
SMC
hmm,
must be greater than AVC.
so
So the SMC curve cuts the AVC curve from below at
minimum point of AVC.
AVC.
This is what here you can see AVC is falling. What are they telling? But even though it is falling, it is more than MC. MC is less than AVC. Okay. But what happens whenever it start rising? What will happen? MC is becoming greater than AVC. So these are the different types of relationship you can see between SMC and AVC. Now, these three are brought together. AC, one is average cost. Another one is AVC, that is average variable cost. The other one is MC. Okay. When MC is, when MC is less than AVC, the situation, when MC, this situation is MC is less than AVC. That situation, AVC falls with the increase in output. It is falling, AVC is falling. The same, what I said before, this is put up in points now. When MC is equal to AVC, that is this point, where MC is equal to AC, what is happening? AVC is constant and it is at its minimum point. So it cuts through the AVC curve. And it is cutting not only the AVC curve, after some time you can see it is cutting the AC curve also at the minimum point. And when MC is greater than AVC, that I told you that when MC, this is MC curve, it is greater than AVC. That time, what happens? This AVC starts increasing. It is going upward. So these are the different types of relationship you can see regarding MC, AC, and AVC. Now, in the long run, all these things what we discussed now, it is related to short run. And in the long run, you know that what is the speciality regarding the inputs? There are no fixed variable. All the variables are, all the inputs are variable. All the inputs can be changed. So here in the long run, all inputs are variable and there are no fixed cost in the long run. Just like one more thing in the short run also. In the short run, I told that how do we get the, I told that SMC is equal to AVC. The same way here also you can see in the long run, because we don't have AVC here, the marginal cost, how do we get that? If we add the marginal cost all together, that will give you the total cost of that particular level. Okay. So this is, with this we are finishing the chapter. There are few questions related to this regarding how can we calculate if they have given quantity and total cost, how can we calculate? TVC, AFC, AVC, SAC, SMC from this. Okay. So I want you to copy down the question. Everyone, the following table shows the total cost schedule of a firm. What is the total fixed cost schedule of this firm? Calculate after that. Calculate TVC, AFC, AVC, SAC and SMC schedules of the firm. Write it down, everyone. Everyone, written down the question. Yes or no, fast? Done. Okay. Now
No,
here
sir.
question, it's done, right? The question is, first question, what is the total fixed cost schedule of this firm? Okay. How can we get total fixed cost in this? Who can say? How can we get total fixed cost?
Ma'am, it will be 10 because
It will be 10 by,
because when the quantity is 0, the total cost is 10, so that will be
yes.
the fixed cost.
So that will be the fixed cost. So TFC, I told you before also, TFC remains same. It will be there even when the output is 0. So here at first level, if you see the output is 0, total cost is 10 given. That shows that TFC is 10 for in this particular example. So everywhere you can write 10 TFC. Okay. As the output is 0, cost is given. When output is 0, we know that total variable cost is not there, only fixed cost is there. So that 10 is total fixed cost. Now you got TFC. Next they have asked you to find what? TVC. TVC. How to get TVC? How to get TVC? Rahul, do you know? Rahul, do you know how to get TVC from this?
TFC minus TC.
Okay. Is it TFC minus TC? Is it TFC minus TC? What you said is correct, but something is interchanged, I feel, right? Pranav?
TC plus.
See, what is that? Tell.
And TC minus TFC.
TC minus TFC. It should be written like that. Okay? TC minus TFC. So find out TVC now. For every level of output, find TVC. TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. Okay. So TC is given, TFC is given. Get the answer. TVC, how much it will be, find out the answer for all levels of output. All of you got the answer? Okay, what will be the first one? TVC first one, what it is?
0.
0, that's correct. Then, second one, Akshay, what is the answer? Second one,
20.
20, correct. Alan Thomas, what is the third one? Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the third one? See, for the first level of output, 0. TVC is 0. Second level of output, TVC is 20. Third level of output or third output. For the third output, what will be? Sorry, second output, what will be the answer for TVC? See, how to get TVC is written. TC is given, TFC is given. How to get TVC? Helen?
Ma'am, 35.
35. Roseanne, what is the next one?
45.
45. Okay. Alan Verghese, what is the next one? What is the next one? Alan, do you know?
50.
50. How much?
55.
See, here it is 70, here it is 10. What answer you will get?
65.
65. If you reduce 70 minus, if you reduce these two, how much you will get?
60.
60. Okay, Kevin, what is the next one? Sanam, what is the next one?
80.
Abhilash, what is the next one?
Ma'am, 110.
110. Okay, so TVC we got. Okay, next one we are going to find AFC. So here I'm writing AFC. Now, what is the formula to get AFC? Who can tell? Average fixed cost is equal to,
TA by Q.
what is it?
TFC by Q.
Very good. TFC by Q. Now find out that. Everyone, find out that. Okay, all of you got answers? Akshay, what is the first one?
0.
0. Correct. Zero. Roseanne, second one. TFC, you know. Quantity, you know, it's given. What is the quantity? Pranav,
10.
10. Ellen Thomas. What is the next one? Next level. Ellen,
Ma'am, 5.
it is 5. Okay. Rahul, next one.
3.33.
3.33. Kevin, you got the next one answer?
Ma'am, 2.5.
2.5. Okay. Abhilash, next one.
2.
Sanam, last one.
1.6.
1.6. Okay, so we got AFC. Now next one is AVC. Okay. AVC. How to get AVC? AVC is equal to what?
TVC by Q.
TVC by Q. Now you know what is TVC is given at every level. Quantity is given at every level. You can find the answer for AVC. Okay. So you got AVC, right? All of you got? Okay, first one. Abhilash, tell what it is. AVC
I'm 0.
0. Okay, second one also.
20.
Second one 20. Pranav, third one.
17.5.
Sanam, next one.
15.
15. Okay. Akshay,
16.
is it 16?
I mean 16.
I didn't get. I'm asking this for this level. This level, what it is? Is it 16? Rahul, what did you get?
215.
15, right? 60. 60 divided by 4. Okay. Next one, I think you by mistake told that one. Akshay, next one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next one is
Next one is the 16th one. 16. Okay, then last one. Roseanne,
18.3.
18.3. Okay, so now we got ABC. Next one is SAC. That is the question. So SAC. How do we get short run average cost? Anyone? Average cost, how do we get?
TC by Q.
TC by Q. Okay, there is one more method. What is that?
AFC plus AVC.
AFC plus AVC. It's your wish. You can find and any method. AFC plus AVC. Find out SAC. Both the methods you can use. I mean, you said TC by Q. Okay. Or Pranav, what is the first one?
0,
0. Second one?
30,
30. Sanam, next one? Sanam,
Doing the I didn't do.
you didn't do?
Yes, ma'am. Once I do.
Okay, either you can find AFC plus AVC. If you add it, you will get. Otherwise, you can take total cost divided by the output. Any one method you can use. Okay, Abhilash, next one.
22.5.
22.5. Pranav,
18.3.
18.3. Akshay,
17.5.
Roseanne,
18.
18. Kevin, no. Abhilash,
20.
is it 20? You can make it as that fraction only. Okay, what is that? You're getting
Mm.
fraction, right?
No, I took AFCS.
Okay,
One.
okay. AFC has 1.
No, 1.66.
Okay,
So-
then
So it'll be 19.99.
how come? 18 point, see 1.66 plus 18.33, right?
Yeah,
18.3. So what will be the answer?
19.9.
Yeah. Yes, 19.9. We can use the same thing. No need to change that. Okay. Okay. Next, what they have asked you, that is SMC. How to get SMC? Anyone? Fast. SMC is equal to
Change in TC by
change in
change in
TC by,
output.
okay. Change in TC divided by change in output. Okay, so change in TC. So we are taking the first one 10. First one itself, is there any change? Can we say any change? Yes or no? No change. We can't say any change because nothing is given as previous one. So no change, so that you can consider as 0. Next onwards, you can see what change happens in TC and what change in output. So second one, what is the change? You just tell. What change happens in TC? How many the changes? I mean, in what number? From 10 to 30, it reaches, what is the change? Someone please tell.
20.
Okay, 20. Now change in happening in output from 0 to 1, how much increased? 1, right? So at every level, it is increasing 1 only. So if you find the difference also, you will be getting the same number. So the first one is 20. Now find out the remaining one, all. Adnan? Oh, sorry, by mistake. Abdul? Absent. Okay then, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.